Oh, this is what I wanted. Got it. Okay, hey you guys, welcome to Tiffany's World. Of course, my name is Tiffany, and today, well, right now, because it's 19, and I had nothing else to do, so I thought, why not open up my items that I received today with you all. So, hold on, let me take a sip, because y'all know, I need a sip. Oh, little sip. Come on. But for real, so I'm gonna open up my little items that I received. And we're gonna start with this. Like, most people in the hair business should know what this is. Cause I do, and I'm geeked up. I'm geeked up. So we're gonna, and there better not be nothing wrong with my shit, or I will be mad, and shit will be reshipped back. I ain't had nothing else to do tonight, but one of my little items that I done get. Quarantine and chill. They gave me a little weaving cap. See that? I think it's too much like. So weaving cap. I guess I don't care about that. And I bought something. And they gave me my hairpins. So some of y'all probably like, I don't know what the fuck that is. And some people probably don't know, but these are hairpins. To not exactly hairpins, but something that you wear on your hair with. And of course, instructions. And yes, we need this bad baby. Okay. See, that's the only thing about opening up shit. You know, I know which way to end was going, but you know, a piece, I mean, and okay, and y'all know what it is. Y'all already know how this shit going. A little tray. What you call these things? Wait on my little stand. So yeah, definitely need this. And I hope I got the right things. Oh no, it better go now. So yes, needed that. I'm so happy. I'm happy. Okay, I'll put this to the side because I already did that. And thank God for Amazon through the quarantine time. Yeah. Oh, I forgot my music. Whatever. Oh. This is what I wanted. My head needed this so much. Oh, we better get some shit popping, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. And I guess I can leave it in there. And I got 23 Michael Jordan number, Bulls number, but also my favorite number. The 23 was busting for me. But anyway, I had to get a big head, but they come bigger. But I didn't want to get too small because you know my head big as hell. And what I'm trying to do is needs to be huge. Because you know I have a big ass head. And then this is like if I want to clamp it to the table or something. I don't know what this is, but I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out. Needles. More pens. Yes, can never have so many of those. Never. I'll get some. And here. I'm like, once again, I'm not trying to make this shit long. So if you watching, take a sip with me. But I ain't had nothing else to do today. Oh, I done broke the thing. Put that to the side. Moving right along. And okay, this is the last thing. I kind of already opened this, but I just want to open up with y'all. This is a baby. Hello, baby. That's what this is. What y'all think I'm gonna do? Oh, okay. So I don't feel like taking this shit out, but it's my sewing machine. I will be crafting things as far as like some wigs. Bitch, you want a scarf? You want a blanket? Holla at me now, for real. But I will be making my own custom wigs very, very soon. And I would definitely want y'all to chat with me. And I had 2 more items, but I'm gonna not open these items because they're not mine. But I think that, and she'll be very happy and pleased. My baby. You see that? It's gonna be that Milano drip. You feel me? Holla at me. So I'm probably like, this probably be the last time y'all see a video like this. But moving forward, like, if I get more things that I feel like it's interesting, but I'm just trying to let y'all be a part of my milestone. And remember, it's Tiffany's World, so just tell me what y'all know y'all don't want to see me talk about. And I already know what half of y'all want me to talk about. But just stay in tune. Cute.